Um, I remember this issue very, very well. It was about a gag put on a whole range of legal aid organisations who were out taking public money, let's say a refugee organisation, to support refugees settling into Australia. But rather than spend the money on refugees, they were spending the money on arguing out there in the public domain against the coalition and its position on border protection. Well, a gag was put in place that said if you get public money, you spend the public money on the purpose it was given to you from taxpayers. It's not there for PR campaign and lobbying. That's now been overturned by the Albanese government. They say it's about ending political censorship. I don't regard it as censorship, John Anderson. I regard it as spending money where it was meant to be spent.
Peter, I couldn't agree with you more. I remember going through a staggering list of government bodies that were receiving government money when on the Razor Gang way back in the late 90s. It is absolutely amazing who has managed to get themselves on a trickle of government money and how many of them are then opposed to the essential institutions that drive our freedom and how many of them want to interfere with democracy and the normal process by which the electors choose those who will vote for them and then pass judgment on them at the end of the term. We are entering the age of the expertocracy, where you have people who assume they know better than electors, who find ways to try and subvert the normal democratic process. The frightening thing, in my view, Peter, is that so often we are blind to it. We almost welcome it. We almost welcome the use of our dollars to undermine our own society. And I can think of a very big media organisation that, in my view, is guilty of that from time to time.